Hello friends, welcome back to Neha's kitchen. Today we are going to make spring onion omelette, which is egg omelette. So for that I need spring onion leaves, some spring onion itself, ghee, you can use butter, egg, 3 to 4 green chilies, black pepper, salt, mint leaves, parsley, and I'm going to use coriander. That's it. I have chopped my green onion and my green chilies. I'm going to mix my egg. Beat your egg really well. Yeah, on a high speed. Just beat. And I'm going to make my pan hot, either with butter or either with ghee. I'm going to add my onion and green chili, and I'm going to try to mix it up. Mix. Don't let it get burnt, guys, okay? And then once you see that your onion is red enough, I'm going to add up my beaten egg. Yeah, so I have mixed my egg very nicely. In that I'm going to add my salt and pepper. Now if you want, you can add up red pepper, you can add up some cumin. That's completely your choice. If you want more spices, I'm not going to add a lot of spices because spring onion itself have its own taste, so I want to have that taste in my egg. Yeah, so just mix it up gradually, and once you see that the egg is mixed up really well, add up your veggies. So you add up your mint, your herbs, and your spring onion leaves, and give it a mix, really good mix. And it's now, again, it's your choice if you want really well cooked or if you want soft cooked. If you want soft cooked, you should just stop the video right now. If you want really well cooked or really nice and crunchy, little bit of crunchy, so you continue mixing it up for 2 to 3 minutes, and that's it. Now this is how it look like. Look at that. It's quick, it's easy, it's good for your lunchbox, it's good for any time quick meal. So I hope you like my recipe. Please do like and press the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.